wondering what's making this sound, this sort of slipping sound. Curious if it's the slipper clutch or if my gear mesh is off. Here, hang on. Yeah, that right there. Yeah. Yep, this sort of crunch rattle type of sound.